Welcome to a tutorial on how to navigate through Google Maps. So currently I am signed in to my Google account, and so this is connecting me to Google Plus and all the other Google apps, but you don't actually need to be signed in order to use this interface. You can just go ahead and go to googlemaps.com. Now, if I want to see it in satellite like Google Earth, I can click on the satellite button, but for now, just to differentiate, I'm going to leave it be, and I am going to just show you some of the functions. So along the bottom, you have settings that will allow you to share and embed the map. You can go to Street View by clicking on the little person, or you can go to imagery that's been added to the map if you like. You can also use the zoom in and zoom out buttons, or you can show your location right now by clicking on the little black dot. But before we do any of that, I'm going to use the search button, which is probably the most commonly used function. So I'm going to search for the high school that I teach at, St. Joseph High School. Oops. And then Edmonton, Alberta, and hit return. So it's going to take me to St. Joseph High School. It's going to show me that there is indeed a picture of it here, as well as a connection to the website and directions and the ability to save it because I am signed into my Google account. So if I click on the picture, it will take me to Street View. And it's actually showing me the back of the school rather than the front, because all of these images, of course, are provided by Google itself going down the road, and so it can't really differentiate which is the front of the school. It's just taking pictures. But this little arrow shows up, so I can actually move us to get closer to the front if I wish. However, I'm just going to go back to the map itself and get directions. So I'm going to click on the directions button, and I'm going to ask for directions to Education South. Oops, I spelled that entirely incorrectly. Let's fix that up. Education South, University of Alberta, Edmonton, which is the building on campus that I believe the TLDL program runs through. There we go. So it's showing me, once it loads up, that it's about a 9-minute car ride without traffic, but it also allows me to show traffic if I wish. It will also give me different options. So this is saying that it's the closest, or pardon me, the fastest route to go down Grote Road. However, maybe I know that Grote Road's not a good idea right now with it being a little bit icy out. I can then click on this gray route down 109th, and it will recalculate. It's saying it's going to be 13 minutes with traffic, 15 minutes with traffic, but maybe I know that that's still the better way to go. Okay. If I am not going by car, if I want to figure out if I can take LRT or bus, I can click on that icon and it will recalculate for me. Oh, I just noticed it's actually not calculating for the education building. It's taking me to the engineering building, which is quite nearby, but not really what I wanted. I'm going to click the X there and see if I can find the education building. It wouldn't really affect the driving options, but it's not the right building to show. It's beautiful, but it has nothing to do with our program. Now it's giving me the arts building, which is also beautiful, but wrong. Education South Center. I believe that's actually what it's called. University of Alberta. Let's try. There we go. That's the correct building. Sorry about that. So now that we found the correct building and we have the directions to get there, I could save it if I wished, but I can also go to the street view just by clicking on this button here or by using the person. And it's going to show you a picture of South. There you go. Again, I can use this arrow button to move us along any road. And so if I take you further up this road, you can see the Butterdome in the distance. Or if I turn us around, we could head down 87th Avenue off campus, allowing us to really get a good idea of the location. Now I'm going to go back to the map view, and I'm going to end this tutorial. Thank you.